Welcome back to Incredible Wild Nature. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of the African savanna, a breathtaking ecosystem that stretches across several countries in East and Southern Africa, including Kenya, Botswana, and South Africa. Known for its endless grasslands and scattered trees, the savanna is a thriving habitat for some of the most iconic wildlife on the planet. It's not just a landscape, it's a finely tuned balance of nature that sustains a rich biodiversity essential to the ecological health of the region. The savanna experiences two distinct seasons. The rainy season from November to April, when lush green grass flourishes, and the dry season, where resources dwindle, pushing animals to adapt. During the rainy season, the grasslands serve as a vital food source for herbivores like elephants, giraffes, zebras, and antelopes. These large plant eaters aren't just passive grazers, they play a crucial role in shaping and maintaining the landscape, contributing to the ecosystem's delicate balance. But the savanna's story wouldn't be complete without its predators: lions, cheetahs, hyenas, and leopards. These hunters are the keepers of balance, controlling herbivore populations and driving the cycle of life in this dynamic environment. Often moving in packs, they follow the herds during migrations, always on the hunt for their next meal. What makes the savanna truly captivating is how its residents have evolved to survive the challenges of this ever-changing environment. Herbivores showcase remarkable adaptations. Elephants, with their incredible memory and intelligence, can locate water sources that sustain their herds through the harsh dry season. Giraffes, with their towering necks, feed on treetop leaves inaccessible to others, avoiding competition for food. Antelopes and zebras rely on speed and vigilance, escaping predators in a flash, while their striped or earthy coats provide natural camouflage. One of nature's greatest spectacles, the Great Migration, embodies the survival strategies of these animals. Millions of antelopes, zebras, and wildebeests travel thousands of miles in search of food and water, not only ensuring their survival but also enriching the ecosystem by fertilizing the land as they go. It's a powerful example of life's resilience and the interconnectedness of species. Interestingly, herbivores also band together for safety. Moving in herds is more than just a social behavior, it's a survival tactic. Herd members act as sentinels, alerting one another to danger. Zebras and antelopes, for instance, often graze side by side, benefiting from each other's unique abilities to find food and detect predators. This cooperation shows the incredible ways these animals work together to thrive in a land of constant challenges. The African savanna isn't just a wilderness. It's a stage where the drama of survival unfolds daily. From the stealthy hunters to the resourceful herbivores, every creature has its role in this grand, interconnected web of life. And that's what makes this ecosystem one of the most awe-inspiring places on Earth. The African savanna is a living masterpiece of resilience and adaptability. And at its heart are the herbivores, the powerful yet vulnerable creatures that keep this ecosystem alive. From their impressive migrations to their unique survival strategies, these animals showcase nature's brilliance in overcoming the relentless challenges of predators and the environment. Among them, the buffalo stands out as a true heavyweight champion of survival. With their immense size and incredible strength, buffalo are iconic symbols of the savannah. Known for their tight-knit herd mentality, they rely on unity and teamwork to defend against a host of skilled predators, including lions, hyenas, crocodiles, and leopards. Lions, in particular, are famous for their cooperative hunting techniques, working together to isolate and take down buffalo in strategic, high-stakes attacks. While adult buffalo are formidable opponents, calves and injured members of the herd remain prime targets for opportunistic predators. Especially during the calving season, when danger looms around every corner. Buffalo survival isn't just about brute strength, it's about strategy. When under threat, these majestic animals form protective circles, with the strongest adults standing guard on the outside and the vulnerable calves shielded at the center. This extraordinary social behavior not only safeguards the herd but also demonstrates the profound intelligence and unity of these animals. Their ability to fend off attacks as a collective often tips the scales in their favor, ensuring that their young and weaker members have a fighting chance. However, the savanna itself plays a major role in the survival story. Its vast grasslands, while beautiful, offer little cover for buffalo, making them vulnerable to ambushes. As the rainy season arrives, the landscape transforms with taller grasses that provide some concealment, but the risks don't disappear. In fact, predators thrive during this season, with an abundance of prey keeping them stronger and more determined. The Great Migration is one of nature's most jaw-dropping spectacles, and buffalo are key players in this incredible event. Moving vast distances in search of food and water, they face constant threats from predators that shadow the herd, waiting for the weak to falter. Migration is a test of endurance and resilience, where only the strong survive. For calves and older buffalo, the journey is particularly grueling, as fatigue and scarcity of resources make them easy targets. Despite their strength, buffalo face a harsh reality, a world filled with relentless predators and ever-changing landscapes. Their survival is a testament to the complex predator-prey dynamic that defines life on the savanna. Lions and hyenas play their part in this intricate balance, forcing herbivores like buffalo to continuously adapt to ensure their survival. Understanding these dynamics isn't just fascinating, it's a call to action. By learning about the challenges buffalo and other herbivores face, we gain a deeper appreciation for the delicate balance of the African ecosystem. Conservation efforts become more critical as we work to protect this incredible web of life. From the towering elephants to the sturdy wildebeest and the resilient buffalo, every creature plays a vital role in maintaining the harmony of the savanna, one of Earth's most extraordinary natural wonders. The African savanna is a thrilling stage for one of nature's greatest dramas, where predators like lions, hyenas, leopards, and African wild dogs dominate the food chain. Each of these hunters has its own specialized techniques for taking down prey, and the struggle for survival is as fascinating as it is fierce. Lions, the kings of the savanna, hunt in groups, leveraging teamwork to single out and overpower wildebeest. Meanwhile, African wild dogs rely on endurance, chasing their prey over long distances until sheer exhaustion brings it down. while adult wildebeest are formidable in numbers, using the strength and protection of the herd to fend off attacks. Their calves and weaker members face a much grimmer reality. Calves, with their small size and lack of experience, are especially vulnerable. During the calving season, a time of renewal for the herd, these young animals face heightened danger as predators see an opportunity to strike. The increase in calves during this season coincides with the Great Migration, creating a perfect storm of vulnerability that predators are quick to exploit. The loss of calves is not just a heartbreaking moment for the herd, it also leaves a ripple effect on the ecosystem. Young and weak individuals play an essential role in the ecological cycle, serving as part of nature's balance. Their loss, though painful to witness, is a key element in maintaining the health and sustainability of the savanna. But for the herd itself, these losses can be devastating, threatening its long-term survival and growth. This delicate balance between predator and prey showcases the raw beauty and harsh realities of life on the savanna. It's a powerful reminder of the interconnectedness of all living things and the incredible resilience required to survive in one of Earth's most unforgiving environments. Wild boars are true masters of survival, showcasing remarkable social behaviors and instincts that help them outsmart predators in the wild. When danger strikes, these clever animals don't freeze in fear. They spring into action with chaotic, zigzagging movements, scattering in different directions to confuse and disorient their attackers. This unpredictable response often creates the perfect opportunity for escape, proving that even in the face of threats, strategy matters. Along the way, predators like lions and hyenas stalk the herd, waiting to exploit moments of weakness as the wildebeest battle exhaustion. Crossing rivers is especially treacherous, as lurking crocodiles lie in wait beneath the surface, ready to strike at any moment. Despite these relentless challenges, wildebeest are a testament to nature's resilience. Their strong social bonds, strategic migration patterns, and incredible adaptability help them endure and even thrive in one of the most unforgiving environments on Earth. Their story is not just about survival, it's a celebration of the wild spirit that drives life in the African savanna. Lions, often crowned the kings of the African savanna, are among the most iconic and powerful predators in the animal kingdom. Their hunting techniques are nothing short of masterful, blending strategy, teamwork, and sheer physical might. Living in social groups called prides made up of related females, cubs, and a few dominant males gives lions an incredible edge in the wild. This family-oriented structure isn't just about survival. It's the foundation of their success as apex predators. In the pride, female lions are the main hunters, while males protect the group and defend their territory. Hunting as a team allows lions to use tactics that solitary predators could only dream of. When it's time to hunt, the females carefully select their prey, targeting medium to large herbivores like wildebeest, zebras, and buffalo. The choice often depends on the herd's size and the pride's strength. Once the target is chosen, the lionesses go to work, planning their approach with military precision. Using the tall grasses of the savanna as natural camouflage, these skilled hunters creep closer to their unsuspecting prey. They're masters of stealth, blending into their surroundings to close the gap without being detected. Then, the pride splits into smaller groups, positioning themselves strategically to block every escape route. When the time is right, they launch the chase, short, explosive bursts of speed that leave their prey little chance to flee. Unlike endurance hunters, lions rely on this raw power and agility to deliver swift and decisive attacks. After a successful hunt, the pride comes together to feast. The lionesses who lead the hunt eat first, ensuring the most energy-expending members stay strong. Males and cubs take their turn afterward. Lions can devour an astounding amount of food, up to 15% of their body weight in one sitting, which keeps them energized for days without the need for another hunt. Afterward, they relax, digest, and bond with their pride, all while remaining vigilant to protect their territory. As apex predators, lions play a vital role in keeping the ecosystem balanced. By controlling herbivore populations, they help maintain healthy grasslands and indirectly influence plant growth. Their presence shapes the behavior of prey species, ensuring no single population dominates and depletes the environment. But despite their power and majesty, lions face mounting threats. Habitat loss, human-wildlife conflicts, and poaching are all taking a toll on their numbers. Conservation efforts are more critical than ever. Organizations worldwide are working tirelessly to protect lion habitats, reduce conflict with local communities, and create sustainable ecosystems where both lions and humans can thrive. These efforts are crucial to preserving the future of these magnificent creatures, ensuring that the roar of the lion continues to echo across the savanna for generations to come. The African savanna, with its sweeping grasslands, scattered trees, and ever-changing seasons, is the perfect stage for the majestic zebra to shine. These iconic herbivores are marvels of adaptation, capable of digesting tough, fibrous plants that many other animals can't, ensuring their survival even when food is scarce. But zebras are more than just striking symbols of the savanna. They're vital players in maintaining the delicate ecological balance of this vast and vibrant ecosystem. Life on the savanna, however, is anything but easy for zebras. They're constantly under threat from a roster of formidable predators, including lions, hyenas, leopards, and African wild dogs. Each of these predators presents a unique danger, using their own strategies and physical advantages to hunt. Lions, for example, work as a team, executing coordinated ambush to bring down their prey. Leopards, on the other hand, rely on stealth and sudden attacks, striking from the shadows. For zebras, survival requires constant vigilance, clever strategies, and tight social bonds to evade these ever-present threats. While adult zebras can often fend off predators with their strength and speed, the most vulnerable members of the herd calves, the elderly, and the injured face greater risks. Zebra calves, in particular, are easy targets because of their smaller size, lack of strength, and inexperience in avoiding danger. Yet zebras have a fascinating defense mechanism up their striped sleeves, those iconic black and white stripes. Researchers believe the stripes create optical illusions that can confuse predators during high-stakes chases. This disruption makes it harder for hunters to focus on a single target, giving zebras a crucial edge. The stripes also play an essential role in herd dynamics, helping zebras stick together and recognize each other in the chaos of a predator attack. The savanna's terrain further shapes the survival game. During the dry season, the open grasslands leave zebras exposed, with little cover to shield them from prowling predators. But when the rainy season arrives, the tall grasses offer much-needed concealment. Yet this lush growth comes with a twist. It also attracts more predators, creating a delicate balancing act where zebras must navigate between safety and danger. Zebras' battle for survival on the savanna is a story of resilience, adaptability, and teamwork. Their lives are deeply intertwined with the predators that hunt them, highlighting the complex relationships that define this wild and breathtaking landscape. By studying these dynamics, we gain not only a greater appreciation for zebra behavior, but also a deeper understanding of the savanna's ecosystem as a whole. As we continue conservation efforts, recognizing the roles both predators and prey play in this intricate web of life is crucial. Protecting zebras and their natural habitat ensures the survival of one of nature's most remarkable species and preserves the harmony of an ecosystem where predator and prey coexist in a timeless dance. Crocodiles, the ancient rulers of the water, are among the most skilled hunters in the animal kingdom. Their success lies in a remarkable blend of patience, stealth, and brute strength, making them both feared and fascinating. Exploring their hunting strategies not only showcases their incredible adaptations, but also reminds us of the delicate balance that sustains the ecosystems they call home. Crocodiles thrive in freshwater and saltwater environments, from rivers and lakes to mangrove swamps and river mouths. These habitats provide the perfect backdrop for their ambush-style hunting techniques. Murky waters and dense vegetation act as natural camouflage, enabling crocodiles to blend seamlessly into their surroundings. Within these environments teeming with live fish, birds, and even mammals, crocodiles find an endless buffet of potential prey. Masters of disguise, crocodiles are experts at remaining hidden. Often, only their eyes and nostrils peek above the water, giving them an almost ghostly presence. This stillness is their greatest weapon. They can wait for hours, sometimes even days, without moving a muscle. Their patience pays off when an unsuspecting animal ventures too close. Whether it's a fish skimming the surface or a zebra pausing for a drink, the crocodile strikes with lightning speed. When the moment arrives, the attack is swift and devastating. With a powerful lunge, the crocodile propels itself toward its prey, using jaws capable of generating an astonishing 3,700 pounds of pressure per square inch. Once its powerful bite lands, the crocodile's signature move, the death roll, comes into play. This high-speed spin disorients the prey and tears it into manageable pieces, especially when larger animals like antelopes or zebras are involved. It's a gruesome but efficient technique that ensures the crocodile's survival in a competitive environment. After a successful hunt, crocodiles often swallow their prey whole or in large chunks. Their flexible jaws and highly acidic stomachs allow them to digest even the toughest parts, including bones. This unique digestive power means a single large meal can sustain them for weeks or even months, a vital adaptation in habitats where food supply is inconsistent. But crocodiles aren't just fearsome predators. they're also essential to the ecosystems they inhabit. As apex predators, they help regulate prey populations, preventing overgrazing and maintaining underwater habitats. Their presence influences the entire food web, from plants to fish and beyond. However, despite their importance, crocodiles face significant threats, including habitat loss, illegal poaching, and climate change. Conservation efforts are critical to safeguarding these ancient creatures and their environments. Protecting their habitats and promoting sustainable coexistence with human communities can help ensure that crocodiles continue to thrive as guardians of their ecosystems. Understanding their role reminds us of the incredible complexity of nature and the urgent need to preserve it for generations to come. The cheetah, graceful, powerful, and built for speed, is one of nature's most extraordinary hunters. Known as the fastest land animal, this sleek predator can hit speeds of up to 60 miles per hour in mere seconds, covering distances of up to 1,000 feet. This jaw-dropping speed is made possible by their lightweight build, long legs, and a unique respiratory system that helps them absorb oxygen quickly during those heart-pounding chases. But speed is just the beginning. Take a closer look at those striking black markings stretching from the inner corners of their eyes to their mouths. These tear stripes aren't just for show. They serve two essential purposes: reducing sunlight glare for better focus and keeping the eyes hydrated, ensuring the cheetah stays locked onto its prey during high-speed pursuits. Cheetahs don't rely on brute strength like lions or leopards. Instead, they're masters of precision and stealth. Their hunting style is all about strategy. They use their sharp vision to spot prey from afar, then creep close using natural cover. When the time is right, they explode into action with a sprint so fast and so precise that escape is almost impossible for their prey, often antelopes or impalas. Their ability to accelerate from a standstill is nothing short of spectacular, making every chase a breathtaking event. Socially, cheetahs are as fascinating as their hunting skills. Female cheetahs live independently, focusing on raising their cubs and teaching them survival skills. Male cheetahs, on the other hand, often form coalition small brotherhoods that help them defend territory and secure mates. This unique social structure enhances their survival and reproductive success. However, life in the wild is never easy. Raising cubs is a monumental challenge, as many young cheetahs fall victim to larger predators before reaching adulthood. Only a small percentage survive, highlighting the critical need for maternal care and safe habitats. Female cheetahs are highly selective about their mates, and pregnancies last around 90 to 95 days, making each new generation a triumph of survival against the odds. Cheetahs are resilient and remarkably adaptable, but they face mounting threats. Habitat loss, human conflict, and poaching are pushing this incredible species closer to the edge. Protecting cheetahs isn't just about saving a predator. It's about preserving the delicate balance of ecosystems where they play a vital role. By managing prey populations, cheetahs contribute to the health of grasslands and other habitats. Conservation is urgent and essential. Every effort to safeguard these majestic animal symbols of speed, grace, and the untamed wild is a step toward a brighter future for our natural world. Together, we can ensure that cheetahs continue to thrive as a living testament to the beauty and power of the animal kingdom. Let's work to protect these wild wonders for generations to come. Wildebeests have become the very symbol of the African savanna, renowned for their awe-inspiring migrations and critical role in the ecosystem. Yet, their lives are anything but easy. These resilient herbivores face constant threats from predators that are always on the prowl, turning their existence into a relentless fight for survival. The African savanna is teeming with predators like lions, hyenas, leopards, and African wild dogs, each equipped with its own unique hunting tactics. Lions, for example, rely on teamwork, coordinating their efforts to isolate and overpower their prey. African wild dogs, on the other hand, use endurance to wear down their targets, chasing them over long distances until exhaustion takes its toll. While adult wildebeest are robust and can defend themselves when sticking together in herds, the younger, weaker, or older individuals are much more vulnerable. Calves, in particular, are easy prey. They're smaller, slower, and lack the defensive instincts of the adults. This danger intensifies during the calving season, when the arrival of thousands of newborns coincides with the Great Migration, making them prime targets for predators. The Great Migration, one of the most remarkable natural events on Earth, is both a lifeline and a perilous journey for wildebeest. Each year, millions of these animals embark on an epic trek across the savanna, driven by the search for fresh grasslands and water. While the migration provides crucial resources, it also comes with staggering risks. Predators relentlessly follow the herd, picking off the weak and weary as they traverse the vast, unforgiving landscape. The danger escalates at river crossings, where lurking crocodiles lie in wait beneath the water, ready to strike any wildebeest attempting to cross. It's a heart-stopping moment that underscores the daily hazards these animals face in their quest to survive. Despite the constant threats from lions, hyenas, and other apex predators, wildebeest have developed remarkable strategies to endure. Their social behaviors, such as sticking together in herds, heighten their vigilance and help protect vulnerable members. Their migratory instincts allow them to track down new sources of food and water, opening up new opportunities for survival in a challenging environment. Through their strength, adaptability, and instinctive teamwork, wildebeest continue to thrive, embodying the resilience and determination that define life on the African savanna. Their story is one of survival against the odds, and it's nothing short of extraordinary.